Alrighty, so in our video on Wednesday, right,
Yes.
we put a call out in the comments to see what kind of stuff you guys wanted to see, and we found one. So Tanya asked us to look at a Explorer Super C, Renegade Explorer 38 EMB. It's the only one that says Explorer, so I hope this is the right floor plan. So this is what it looks like. So Renegade 38 EMB. Looks like a pretty nice floor plan.
Yeah,
And Super C is big, huge front end like that. These are made for towing.
Yeah.
These have massive towing capability.
Yes.
That's the whole point. So,
These steps are kind of fancy.
yeah, and it has the logo coming through in lighting.
And it has
Kinda
a
neat. You gotta keep that in
keypad
too.
here.
Yep. So 1, 2, 3, 4 slides.
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah,
these
that's
are
what we're
tall
talking
steps.
about too.
Oh, yeah, they are. Oh, this is a different looking front end for a Super C.
Yeah.
Oh, there's no bed up here.
And
so
no
a lot
bed.
of times you see a bed up here, like kind of a loft bed looking thing. So this is just cabinets. All right, so we have a place all to ourselves. So quick.
This is nice. We're going to do it quick. This is for 2 people.
Yes.
Everything's set up for 2.
Yep. So
Oh,
we got dinette here. Oh, Aaron's melting.
this is lovely.
It's cushy.
It's nice.
So we got a really big
Oh my
television
gosh,
there.
it's so squishy.
Well, Aaron will be there for the rest of the
I know.
tour.
You said it's super
So
squishy.
there's a lot of, no, I want to be able to get up.
Okay.
So there's a lot of countertop over here
Yeah.
and a bunch of pull-out drawers. And then it looks like the AV cabinet, sort of. We have very nice lighting. I love the lighting across the top.
What is this called again, Brian?
Bias lighting.
Bias lighting.
So we have a couch over there.
Yep.
I'm going to go with, this is convection. Oh, it's a Samsung. Very nice.
Oh yeah, that's lovely.
Yep, nice big microwave. Or a convection microwave.
Is it?
Induction. Well, there's no oven. So induction, but I don't
Oh, yeah, convection,
think,
there it
yeah,
is.
you cannot remove that. Bunch
No
of storage,
dishwasher.
No dishwasher. Storage under the sink.
Split sink, not
Molded in.
molded though. But you do have a washing dishes window.
Yep, we have a dishwasher window.
Dishwasher window.
Dishwasher window. It's the window for the dishwasher.
Yep.
Dishwasher's name is Brian.
Yes, it is.
Good.
Yeah, cabinet.
Cabinet. No, like official pantry. There's just.
Oh wait, here's an official
Oh.
pantry.
Sorry.
Yep. There's pantry
Sure.
space.
Yeah.
There's more pantry
Yeah.
space.
And there's also all these drawers over here in this cabinet. So fridge,
There's a
Samsung fridge. Very nice. That's huge.
This
Wow.
is nice.
Yeah.
There's more pantry. Well, this could be pantry or closet because you're
Right.
kind of in between.
Yeah. And above the stairs, there's a. I'm guessing there's no
not a
controls.
control.
Okay.
This
The
is
controls are here. Touchscreen.
This is your only bath.
Okay, so one full bath.
One full bath, which for 2 people.
Mhm.
And it has the push a button flush.
Okay. Yeah, the electric flush. Okay. Good. Good angle on that. So you're angled into the floor, not into the cabinet.
It's just a framed piece of this, so you can get to the plumbing. on
Oh,
the
it's a
inside.
framed wallpaper.
Framed wallpaper.
What were these? Did you open these?
I did. Those are like a pantry.
Oh, just big cabinets. Okay.
Yeah. Well, but there's a place to hang stuff, and then you've got washer and dryer.
Right. So you could do a combo in one, or you could do individual ones.
Yep.
Okay.
Lovely.
Look at these hinges.
Why?
Open that up. Good lord.
Yeah,
yo.
that's
over-engineering, man. Wow.
It feels nice though.
Yep.
All
Okay.
right.
And then back here, this is the master bedroom.
And
Look
then
at all
again,
the
if it's
floor
just 2 of
space.
you, there's plenty of room here.
Yeah. It's
You
the
are
weird,
losing
It's the weird shelf thing.
some stuff there.
Yeah.
And that's more of like a component cabinet, not a.
Like an AV cabinet.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There are
Laughably small.
small, but there's plugs.
There are plugs.
And then, this
that's-
is just a queen bed back here.
Yep.
And an enormous mirror to make everything look bigger.
Ceiling fan. Yeah, that's really big.
This
I
is
would've-
nice.
I would have liked a
Window?
window instead of a mirror.
Yeah.
I mean, because the engine's up front, it's a Super C.
Yeah.
So there shouldn't be anything off the back.
Yeah. It's nice though.
Wow.
It has nice finishes. It feels nice in here. It feels open. It feels well built.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
oh, and there's a fan.
I mean, yeah, I can't, this is a lot of floor space.
Yeah, it is.
Wow. Like we could stand shoulder to shoulder,
Oh,
and
yeah, we can.
yeah, there's plenty of room.
Mm-hmm.
Wow. Very nice. Very nice.
And it's got Brian's bias lighting.
Yes. So I didn't see the price,
Oh.
but I know it's a lot. We'll go see if we can find it. Let's look at the outside too.
Yeah.
Okay, so out on the outside we have a TV on the outside, and then storage bays, and then we get up to the front end here. This is massive. Good lord.
Yeah. But you can't get in here.
So it's a Freightliner. Yeah, so the Super Cs, you can get in and out the front, passenger and driver side.
I mean, you gotta climb.
Yeah,
But
yeah, it's a long way up there. But again, this is for towing.
Yeah.
I'm curious if there's a sticker,
Okay.
like with capacities. I don't know if they do the yellow sticker on these. Let's find out. That's a nice looking truck.
The Freightliners usually are.
Yeah, that's a...
Lower.
It's so big. I mean, Aaron, how tall are you? 5'4"?
5'5".
5'5", so the nose of this thing starts at like 5.5 feet.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a that's a big boy.
The badge is at 5 feet.
Wow.
5 feet 5.
Yeah, I don't see the normal stickers over here. So
Okay.
a bunch of the storage bays. Let's see if they're open. I think they pass through.
Nice.
Nope. Oh, it's just batteries.
Batteries and
Oh.
keys.
Okay, that's a good feeling door.
It was a heavy door.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You were going on about that door, the other one.
On the Berkshire.
Yeah. Open one. That's a nice.
That's not the good one to go into, but
No,
yeah, that
it's
is
not.
a nice feel when
it's
you
not
open
an
it.
interesting one, but those are nice
Yeah.
latches, nice heavy doors.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Feet
and then
tires.
the business end of these is back here. I've seen these. Some of these, I've seen them. They tow up to like 20,000 pounds, 30,000 pounds. No clue about this one, but that's a lot of steel.
Yeah, that's.
Gracious. I want to see some numbers. I will look up the numbers online.
Yes, please.
And put them on the screen right here.
Alrighty,
Yeah.
and this one's already sold. This
It
one's
is.
sold here at the show.
Yep.
So
whoever
somebody's
bought this is
going
gonna
home
have some
happy.
fun.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we don't really look at Super Cs very much. But that was a cool one, and we checked it out because Tanya wanted to see it.
Yeah.
All right. Hey, we are back with another viewer request. This big beast behind us, the Cyclone. I got to look it up on my phone.
4014C.
4014C, requested by Joy Fry and Tyler Hopkins. So we're gonna pop in here and check it out.
I do like the color.
Yeah, it's sharp looking.
The lighter
It's not
blue.
swoops. It's lines.
They're aggressive.
Cyclone Sunday. They should just name a toy hauler Sunday.
Sunday.
Well, since we're out here, let's look at the front store. Lots of storage. Yep. So it passes through the sides and the front.
Which is nice.
Yeah. Actually, Sean and Elizabeth have a Cyclone, right?
Yes.
And one of the reasons that they went with Cyclone is because of that amount of storage.
Instead of a momentum.
Because Sean has a lot of outdoor stuff. Oh,
Yes.
there's a little pull-out grill thing too. So that's a griddle. I imagine it's a Greystone. No idea how well that works, but it looks like you could put any other brand there that you wanted.
It's not a black stone, it's
Not
a
a black-
gray stone.
I mean, oh my lord, I didn't even notice that. Okay, I'm going inside. Show price on this one, $138. And I'll get your floor plan up here in a sec as soon as Aaron's inside. Here we go. 4014C. Okay. Okay.
There's like you come in on the slide, and then you have like a little like foyer window.
Sort of, yeah. Yeah, so there's seating immediately to the left and a dinette over there. Kitchen, well, that's a real tight kitchen. Okay. Huh? What's wrong?
But, like, how do you?
Oh, how do you bang into that?
Yeah.
No clue.
Interesting.
All right. Okay.
There's people everywhere,
Yeah, there's
so
people everywhere. Let's
go up.
sure. I think the front is pretty standard.
Alrighty. Yeah.
Controls. As it's passed through.
Yeah. Pass through. There's a tub.
It's a tub.
There's a tub
Oh, it is. It's a shallow tub. Yeah,
with
it's a tub.
with
Yeah.
faucet and
And then
everything.
we've got a molded sink,
Yep.
porcelain toilet.
Yep. East-west
East-west.
bed.
It's a tilted king bed too.
Tilted king. Washer dryer prep in here,
Okay.
and it's a big closet.
Okay.
It's a nice big closet.
And then there's a hutch here, or a chest of drawers.
And there's power down here, but there's like
Arms.
it's really really skinny side shelves. Let me see this. Side skinny shelves right here and power down there, but
Oh.
you can maybe hide it in the wall over there.
Yeah, there's a little cubby over there.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So, got recliners there, and then that's an interesting kitchen. So this is a drop leaf.
Yeah, and you can put little stools or something so the kids can sit there. This is tight.
That's a galley kitchen.
Like when you walk
Yeah.
through here, it's tight.
Yeah.
It is the full oven though.
The new, is that an Insignia or a different
It's
brand?
not.
Okay. Greystone.
Greystone, not Blackstone.
Not
It's Greystone.
Greystone.
And this is a normal,
Not convection.
not convection.
Yep. It's also Greystone.
Also
Okay.
Greystone.
And then is
Alrighty.
that a pantry behind you?
Yes.
Sure.
No, that's pretty
That
good.
is, so again, this is a slide. When this is closed up, you're not getting in here
Nope.
at all. You're not going to reach any of that.
You can
and
get
you-
to this side of the refrigerator.
Maybe.
Maybe.
Maybe. Looking at this line here, maybe.
Floor vents.
Yep, 4 vents.
Not a fan.
So, okay. Big slide.
And then
Oh.
this is like a
Okay,
itty
so the
bitty
loft normally goes all the way across.
right, but this one is like
So-
a pocket. You have to
Okay.
sleep curled up.
It's a cubby.
A cubby. Ugh.
So there's a little cabinet back here
Oh,
and up here.
there's a step here.
Okay, so ladder. Let me stick my arm up there. Yeah, that's
That's storage. There's a loft out here.
Oh, okay. I was about to say that is not for children. Okay.
So there's a loft out here with its own air vent up there, which is nice, and a light. That's
And
a
a little
push
window.
light. Is there a window?
I mean, it's not glass.
Oh.
It's yeah. Let me let's see if my camera hits it or goes through. Okay. Yeah, it's just like a
Oh, that's the window. I thought you meant like
Yeah.
there was a window up there.
no.
But back here, in
Yeah.
this one, there's a full bathroom.
Oh. Okay.
So the sink is behind the door.
Okay. So that doesn't eat into the garage too much.
No. But then there's a child size shower. If you
Yeah.
have tall children, though, this is not their shower.
No.
But-
Why don't you step up in there?
Okay.
See if Tara would fit.
Tara will fit.
Yeah.
But I mean, I've never been this close to a ceiling ever.
So you're 5'5", right?
I'm 5'5".
Yeah. So she's
With shoes on right now, so maybe like 5'6".
5'6". Yeah. So you're. I'm not going in there.
It's a soap the wall kind of experience for me.
Hashtag van life.
Hashtag. But throwing the children in here, or even
Right,
Tara, would be
right.
absolutely
And
fine.
also the floor, the garage floor extends in there. So if someone
It's wet.
puts the, you know how kids don't always put the shower on the right side of the tub.
Oh,
And
the
then
shower
the water
curtain.
comes out. The
is
curtain,
in-
yeah, the curtain. So yeah, if the water came out here, who cares? It's
Yeah.
the garage floor.
And I don't think you
Toilet.
could stand here and go to the bathroom, but
The door would be open.
Ben could.
The door would have to be open.
You just put a foot out.
Yeah. No, the whole door would be open and my whole backside would be out.
Well, okay, then
Yeah.
there's that. Maybe you won't use this bathroom.
It's a pretty long garage.
It is a long garage.
Did it say on the thing? 15?
Um,
This feels really long.
We'll have to look. I'm not
Yeah.
sure.
I'm going to guess 15 foot.
But so you have this loft plus a queen
Yep.
plus these two, and this one's
happy
folded out
jack.
that you can kind of see
Yeah.
how big they are.
It's,
and
it's called a Happy Jack.
Yeah.
The whole system. Yeah, so actually, let's go ahead and, since it's here, it just tumbles and folds out, and then you have a whole nother, basically queen plus, because
Yeah.
it's really long.
And so we would use this like a Tara would sleep here or the loft, whichever way she would prefer, and then
Yeah.
each
Or-
kid we would just make them in different
Yeah.
colors. So
I
knew
could
we
see,
switch.
I could see like Ben using the loft.
It's so high, I'd put my baby
Well,
up in the
yeah,
loft.
there's that. So we roll this back up. Oh, it's really tight with one hand. Sorry. There we go. Yep.
Yeah.
And then we have friends that have taken these off and put desks and all sorts of stuff in here. Like
Yeah.
our friends Caleb. Caleb and Bethany. He pulled one of these off, put a desk, and he uses it as a standing desk to go up and down whatever height he wants.
And then our other friends took one side off and created like an entertainment system over here.
Yeah.
So that their son can game with his friends out here and nobody else has to hear it.
Yeah.
So, but
Lots
they
of
just took this
windows.
all out and kind of really customized
There
it.
are more windows in here.
There are a lot of windows.
I like the windows though.
I do like windows.
And then the door back here does not have the solid steps, so those tuck up underneath.
Right.
And then the porch.
Nice big porch.
We ramp down to the porch a little bit. And you can put stairs off the back. They don't have them for the show. But there is an awning and lights and sliding doors, so there's glass and screens. And if you've never been to RV shows before, this happens.
Yeah.
Yeah.
People
I
don't know
mean,
how to.
I cannot recommend buying show models because you are buying something that literally thousands of people have stepped in 2 days. So,
I would come to the show, get the show price, but
there you
order
go.
it and have
Get
them
one
deliver it.
delivered or something. Alrighty, so those are our two viewer recommendations. So we have the Cyclone, and we have the absolutely massive bonkers
Crazy
Explorer
Explorer.
Super C.
Yeah.
that was beautiful. Like, I'm just thinking the front of that Freightliner.
Oh, of the Super
It
C?
looked so good.
It was pretty fancy.
Yeah, it's nice. But anything that makes a 6 foot tall dude climb up to get into it, that's a serious machine.
Right.
I'm looking forward to seeing the numbers. You guys have seen the numbers because I have Googled them and put them into the video by now.
Yeah.
I have not seen the numbers yet, but I have a feeling they're going to be impressive.
You mean in
like
terms?
the towing numbers?
Oh, I was
and
like
stuff,
the price. I don't know. Impressive
sure
is
the
the word I
price-
would use.
Sure, the price is pretty impressive too.
Right.
This one was $138, the show price, and then the MSRP was $172 on the Cyclone. Not a fan of the kitchen.
Yeah, I didn't like the kitchen, but you know.
Yeah. Check out the Toy Hauler episode
Right.
that we just finished filming. Actually, we just finished it over here with a Voltage or Voltage?
Alliance
Voltage.
Alliance
Volta?
Valor.
Valor. There you go. The Alliance Valor. That one and the
Voltage.
Voltage.
The
Yeah.
Dutchman Voltage.
Those two. I'm gonna say I liked them better than the Cyclone.
I did too.
Yeah. So check those out in the Toy Hauler episode if it's out already. I don't know what order these are coming out.
Who
in.
knows? Tampa RV show
Tampa
fun.
RV show.
Woo!
At least it stopped raining.
That's right. And the sun is trying to peek out, but we'll see.
It is warmed up a little bit because we're not soaking wet.
Right.
So, thank you guys for watching.
Yep.
Thank you for the recommendations. If you want to see anything else, we'll be gone by the time this video comes out. The show will no longer be going on.
No.
But if you want us to go review something, we live in for the next month and a half, we are in the RV capital of the world. So
Right.
we can go to dealerships and check them out.
Yeah, let us know what you want to see.
All right.
Bye,
Thanks
guys.
for watching. Bye.